proof of this? Being denied admission into my local community college for reasons I consider to be discriminatory. Is it for being a fat fucking retard who sues everyone? The countless women who have refused to go on dates with me! You can't make this shit up! Oh my god! I could have sued all these women for discriminating against me because they wouldn't go on a date with me. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, and he links something. You see, there's a little 6, and if you think that a truly litigious person would not sue for that, take a look. Based women not going on dates.